Friends, let me share with you one management lesson from Mahabharata. This is on KRA with business alignment. The epic is in the battlefield, Arjuna asked to Krishna, how is action without desire is possible? Reward motivates actions. Without reward, who will act? Krishna said, life is impossible without action. You will do something. You will either waste a word or not. You have the option to do something or not. However, the result or the reward of your action is not in your hands. This is beyond your control. Even if you wage a war, the result is not in your control. Even if you desire victory, it may not be yours. You could also lose. Your desire to win will make you fear defeat. If you are indifferent to victory and defeat, and you fight the war as your duty, then there will be no question of happiness or sorrow. Such a person without desire is unperturbed, sthita pragya. Hence set away desire for reward. Do what is within your control, which means your duty. This is called कर्म योगा.
किंतु निष्काम कर्म कैसे संभव है वासुदेव? फल का ज्ञान ही तो कर्म करवाता है, और यदि दृष्टि फल से ही हट जाए तो कोई कर्म करेगा ही क्यों?
कोई कर्म इसलिए करेगा पार्थ कि कर्म के बिना तो जीवन संभव ही नहीं. कुछ तो करोगे ही, या भोजन करोगे या नहीं करोगे, या भूखे को भोजन करवाओगे या नहीं करवाओगे, या युद्ध करोगे या नहीं करोगे. तुम्हारे पास तो केवल यही विकल्प है कि तुम क्या करो या क्या न करो. परंतु परिणाम तुम्हारे वश में नहीं है पार्थ. कर्म फल तुम्हारे वश में नहीं है. तुम्हारे अधिकार की सीमा इस विकल्प पर समाप्त हो जाती है. तुम युद्ध करोगे या नहीं करोगे, किंतु युद्ध का परिणाम तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है. यदि तुम विजय चाहो भी तो यह आवश्यक नहीं कि विजय तुम्हारी ही हो जाए, तुम्हारी पराजय भी हो सकती. किंतु यदि तुम विजय से मोहित नहीं होगे तो पराजय से भी नहीं घबराओगे. यदि तुम ये सोचो पार्थ, चाहे विजय हो चाहे पराजय, किंतु तुम तो केवल इसलिए युद्ध कर रहे हो कि युद्ध करना तुम्हारा कर्तव्य है, तो विजय के सुख या पराजय के दुख का प्रश्न ही नहीं उठता. और जो न विजय से सुखी हो और न पराजय से दुखी, वही स्थित प्रज्ञ है. इसलिए हे पार्थ, कर्म के प्रतिफल की चेष्टा न करो. तुम तो केवल वही करो जो तुम्हारे वश में है, अर्थात अपने धर्म का पालन. यही कर्म योग है पार्थ, यही कर्म योग है.
Let me share with you the management lesson from this epic. Bhagavad Gita says Karma Yogi is that person who does good to the whole world and loves the whole world selflessly. Karma Yogi follows the path of righteousness, accepting destiny as it comes. In the business context, a professional needs to focus on karma for which he is being hired for. The karma is being defined in the form of job description, job analysis, and job specifications. These fundamentals set the tone for defining KRA, KPI, goal setting, MOU, which are known as key result areas, key performance indicators, and memorandum of understanding. KRA comprises of a set of actions that are critical for an organization or for an employee having business alignment. Hence, a professional needs to aim for accomplishing all the deliverables assigned to him, irrespective of whether the end result would materialize or not. Focus should be like Arjuna, who aimed for excellence. He is a karma yogi when he not only keeps track of his KRAs, but also aligns all his actions to the ultimate objective of the organization. It is said that the more you give, the more you get. Similarly, the more a professional delivers with organizational alignment, the more he gets in return, which could be in the form of reward and recognition. Hence, performance brings reward, and reward brings performance, and this becomes a cycle. When the work is being delivered as worship, it is transformed from karma into yoga, and a professional becomes a karma yogi. Thank you.